Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set password HP Laptop Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to set password HP Laptop Windows 11 from settings. We are going to enter the word accounts in the search box. Open SIGIN options. There, click on password and then click on change. First, enter your current password and click next. Now type and confirm the new password. Remember to add some hint of this password. Click Next, and when the change has been made, click Finish. Chapter 2. How to set password HP Laptop Windows 11 from terminal. To start, we enter CMD on the search box. We click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes to authorize. Here we will first see the available users. We execute the command netuser. With the username present, enter the command netuser username and asterisk. Now you are going to enter and confirm the password for this user. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.